Hi, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings app and we'll see here Wi-Fi section. Let's tap on it and tap the Wi-Fi switcher to activate. Also, we'll see here all of the available networks, and just to connect to one from this network, we should tap on the network and enter the password. After that, if you want to see this password, you should click here to this eye icon. After that, let's just tap on the right upper corner to OK, and wait a second. After that, we'll see here the connected that our device successfully connected to this network. You'll see here all the saved networks with the passwords. You can switch between them, for example, when you'll get the slow internet connection. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should tap once on the switcher once again, and that's it. And also get one more way how we can do that. Let's first open the notification panel shortcuts, and you will see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate or to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should tap on this Wi-Fi switcher. After that, if you want to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and you will see here this pop-up. Just to open more settings, click to more, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.